uCertify offers data structures and algorithms in Python course prep for programmers. So start your prep for the Data Structures and Algorithms in Python course with uCertify. The Data Structures and Algorithms in Python course covers Python Primer, object-oriented programming, algorithm analysis, recursion, array-based sequences, stacks, queues, and dequeues, trees, graph algorithms, memory management, and B-trees. In this uCertify course, you will receive 70 pre-assessment questions that will help you identify areas for improvement before you begin the course. It consists of 17 interactive lessons and learning resources with 90 flashcards, 150 quizzes, and 90 glossary terms. uCertify comes complete with 24 hands-on labs to give students a real experience in an online environment. The lab consists of 3D Sim and Smart Chat, Coding Lab, Live Lab, Object Lab, and Software Sim that simulate real-world hardware, software, and command line interface environments that allow students to perform activities in real or simulated environments. In this course, you will receive 75 post-assessment questions that will gauge your understanding and readiness in the course. Finally, once you achieve a readiness score of 90% or more, you will receive a certificate of course completion from uCertify. Upon course completion, you will be able to understand object-oriented programming, algorithm analysis, graph algorithms, array-based sequences, memory management, text processing, linked lists, and recursions. Our course is also available on the uCertify mobile app. You can start the course with the web app and end with the mobile app, or vice versa. Students and educators can move from device to browser and get back seamlessly without losing any performance or activity data. You can download our mobile app from the Google Play Store and iOS App Store. This will allow you to access the course anytime, anywhere, and on any device. To explore more about uCertify titles and their features, please visit www.ucertify.com/exam/DS-ALGO. You can call us at 1-415-763-6300 or reach us by email at sales@ucertify.com.